We are exposed. Indescribable disruption. Our global condition is not normal. Everything is different now. This is not a new normal. This so-called Great Reset is something that will have impacts far beyond ourselves, far beyond this time, far beyond this place. Everything is in play. Historic changes in technology, health, society, finance, transportation, education, jobs, markets, family, and virtually all systems of power. And not just one of these, but all of these. Everything's transforming in real time with no clear, consistent, or credible guidance. Much of what you've heard to be true about the Great Reset as promoted by mysterious, often faceless technocrats is simply not true and does nothing to reveal the real motivations, the flawlessly precise and coordinated schedule, nor the players who seek to benefit. We will have an open, honest, and critical discussion on what's really happening, who's in control, and how it affects you and your future. So the question is, what's your move? To understand and navigate this question, we need to create a new framework of understanding, a new framework of communications, and an advanced yet fluid mindset that gives us enough clarity to structure and prioritize our thinking, our plan, and thereby our actions. Confidant Global Readiness Executive Coaching provides a critical, high-impact online workshop to help you steady yourself, find clarity in chaos, build confidence, and assess opportunities in this time of massive disruption, what many call the Great Reset. We will get through this. We will be strong. We can do this together. Contact Program Executive Miles Lafferty at info@confidant.me for more information.